Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a update video for the channel. I just got back from camping this weekend, so I don't have a whole lot of stuff to talk about as far as Fortress or things like that. But I did want to put a video out there, kind of what's been happening behind the scenes, just kind of let everyone in the community know updates and how things are progressing and that type of thing. So first and foremost, we are approaching 9,000 subs here pretty soon. Again, really appreciate all the feedback and support from everyone. This channel is growing much faster than I had ever thought. 10K is going to be the big milestone coming up. Hopefully I can do some giveaways for the community and have some cool streams for all of you. I am trying to live stream a bit more, so hopefully I can plan at least a live stream every 2 weeks, maybe a live stream every Sunday. I don't know quite yet. It's a little bit difficult with full-time job and a family, all that kind of stuff. So got a lot of projects on the go. I wanted to make an official announcement that Kanrog on the Discord is officially a member of the Rolohaun design team now, which means he is actually responsible for the Rook 180 MK1 update. So there have been a lot of progress on Rook 180. If you want some behind the scenes information and updates, definitely go into the description and subscribe to my Patreon. Kanrog does get a portion of Patreon funds to help him with his printer builds and designing the Rook 180 and stuff like that. And there's going to be more projects that he's going to be working on in the future. So very excited to have Kanrog officially part of the design team. That will allow me to actually start focusing on Defiant next. Once Fortress is done, I can just go right to Defiant. So that's really cool. Very excited about that. Patreon. I would like some feedback on my Patreon. What kind of rewards everyone would like to see on there. I do want to make it worthwhile for people to actually subscribe to Patreon. Right now, I have a just very cheap $3 tier, I believe it is. That's just general support. Thanks for kind of supporting the channel type thing. Very inexpensive. The next tier up is the $6 tier, which is your access to a private Discord channel. And you actually get all of the updates that are happening with Rolohaun design. So you'll get updates on Fortress. You'll get behind the scene updates on Defiance. You'll get updates on any printers I'm designing. That kind of thing, behind the scenes type stuff. So those are the two tiers that I have right now on Patreon. And I would like some more ideas on maybe some more perks for them, or maybe a different tier or something like that. So very curious about some feedback on that. So feel free to put that in the description below. Fortress, I am still progressing on Fortress. I have the Z all assembled, basically. The belt at the bottom is completely ran. All the lead screws are synchronized. Everything's looking great there. Hopefully, either the end of this week or next week, I should be able to show it printing in its current state. Once the Z is done, I do have some final stuff to start working on, like redesigning the side panels because some things have changed. I want to expand the XY just a little bit, like 6 or 7 millimeters, just to get the maximum build area possible. Design some top panels, just button a couple things up. So that hopefully should be coming very soon. I am a little bit sidetracked this week coming up, and next week I am helping a friend build their Trident. So I've been doing a lot of printing and assembling of a Voron Trident right now. So I am kind of working on that behind the scenes a little bit. I, of course, am also still working on the Rook build series too. I really want to make the Rook build series a start to finish definitive build series on how to assemble a Rook. So I want to definitely make sure that it covers the wiring as much as I can. installing Clipper, do some fine tuning, setting up a slicer. I really want it to be a nice complete build series. So I'm going to continue focusing on that as well. That's not going anywhere. Again, West 3D, they are the second kit supplier for the Rook. So feel free to check out my affiliate link down below if you want to buy a Rook kit. I believe the beta kits are sold out, but definitely keep an eye on that page for when more kits go live. Of course, you can use that affiliate link to buy any of the awesome products that West 3D sell. And then, of course, Defiant. I am working on Defiant next. As I talked about earlier, Kanrog is going to be doing the Rook 180, so I can finally start getting some videos on Defiant. I want to make another video just of it printing in its current state, and then I want to figure out some ideas on what I would like to do for the MK1 release. I know I want to fix the belt tensioning, make it much, much better. It's pretty convoluted right now. Maybe lower the gantry a little bit so that you don't need a top hat for the printer. Just little kind of stuff. It's in a pretty good place, but it just needs that once over final polish, I think, for a lot of the things. So very, very excited to do that. Of course, there's other printers going to be coming out this year. I have a secret project that I'm working on right now as well. Lots and lots of stuff going on. So I'm really hoping the channel continues to grow. I can hopefully get a bigger space to do all this stuff in eventually and work on projects and help grow the community. If anyone hasn't joined the Discord, we have an amazing community on Discord. We're over 4,000 members on Discord. It's super active. We have channels on there for pretty much anything you could want. There's a lot of people designing ducts for layer cooling for their printers, all that kind of stuff, like full custom designs, really, really cool stuff on Discord. So definitely check out the Discord if you haven't. And yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to do for this video. Hopefully I'll get a couple more videos out this week just on maybe some updates on Fortress or updates on the Rook build series. I have a video in the works on that as well. So again, I thank all of you for subscribing and for commenting and coming along with me on this journey. And we have a long ways to go and we're only going up from here. So thanks again, everyone, and I'll catch you next time.